Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. Like the video, I guarantee you are going to learn one or two things in this video. So watch the whole video so that you don't lose anything. By the way, if you are looking for indicators, robots, books and stuff like that for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, everything that people are selling out there, you can get it for free using the links in the description box below. Everything that we do on this channel is for free, so go ahead and download all those things using the links in the description box below. Many people also ask me about the broker that I use. See the link in the description box below. For just $5, you can open a real life trading account, which you can use to test strategies, to test indicators, to test robots, and things like that before putting your other capital on the line. So go ahead and sign up with them. One of the best brokers in the world. I've been with them for 5 years now. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So somebody might think, what am I doing on a Tradingview? I actually use a Tradingview. I use Tradingview as well as my MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. I just love the functionality that you get with Tradingview, which makes like analysis so easier and smoother. I don't know, it's just me. You get better functionality with TradingView than you get with MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. Yeah, not saying that MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are bad platforms. They are very good platforms. But the functionality that you get with TradingView when you are doing your analysis is just amazing. It's just amazing. So, if you're going to be doing your analysis on MetaTrader, on TradingView, not MetaTrader, on TradingView, here is an indicator that I use all the time, and I believe it's one of the best indicators that you can find on the platform. If we go to indicators, okay, I apologize, I got interrupted there. So we are going to add our indicator, which is CM Emma Trend Bars. This one by Chris Moody. So we just add that, and we just close that. So this is the indicator, guys. This is the indicator, and this is how it looks. Obviously you are probably going to have let's just zoom in a bit. You are probably going to have some funny colors as well. You just right click in your chart, and you go to settings, and you just remove borders from your background colors, the background bars. Just remove borders, then everything will be clear like this. In case you are not things are not looking so clear like what mine is doing, let me just do a full screen there a bit. So this is the indicator, and we are on Euro USD on the daily chart. You can see that with this indicator, you could have rode the bearish market on Euro USD and made a whole lot of cash without doing too much thinking, just using this indicator. Obviously you are not going to be 100% all the time just winning and making a lot of money. There's nothing like that in forex. We already know about that. So uh, by the way, if you want to test it out, this is daily chart. If we go down to the 4 hourly, let's just see 4 hour chart. You can see it's still printing. So here somebody could have made a lot of cash. Here somebody could have made a lot of cash. Here you could have made a lot of cash. So the situations, there are situations that you are going to need to avoid with, especially when you are using moving averages. You want to avoid situations like this when the market is ranging. Moving averages don't make you any money when the market is ranging. It's usually a trap. So what you just want to do in these situations is to just wait for a clear trend. That's when moving averages and these trend indicators usually come into their own. So this is for hourly time frame. If you just go down to the hourly, let's just see many opportunities using this indicator. You can see many opportunities for using this indicator, and you could make some money. You could make some money. Now you're going to have situations like this. What a clever person will then do in this situation is add a filter indicator. What you do is find a filter indicator. What do I mean by a filter indicator? You probably are going to use a stochastic at the bottom, or you're going to use an RSI or MACD, or find another indicator that you can use to filter out these situations. Of course, don't just go and sell blindly and buy blindly just based on this indicator because I showed you this awesome indicator. Then you just go rush in and you start buying and selling. You will lose your money. You will lose your money definitely. So as well as situations where this is news, you don't definitely not want to use the indicator when it's news time, because it's not going to give you good signals. As in with every indicator, what you want to do is use it in markets where there is no volatility from news fundamentals and things like that. Then you get smooth movement. So you can use that with higher time frames. Let's just see if we can use that with 1 minute chart. Definitely you can use it to scalp. I know some people love to scalp on the 1 minute, so you can definitely use it to scalp. You can you see, you are buying when it turns green and you are selling when it turns red. When it turns red you sell, when it turns green you buy. Obviously, if you're not sure of where to get out, then you can easily trail your stop loss. But when you start getting bars like this, when everything starts getting quiet, it's time to get out. This is telling you time to get out. When you start seeing candles just printing around the same area, and maybe they are getting smaller and smaller, and they are printing around the same area, that's your signal to get out. And you can see here, it's your signal to get out when candles are just converging in one area. There's no more movement going up. That is telling you time to get out. So that's it about this awesome indicator, if you ask me. And you can use it on many time frames. You can see, I'm not trying to advertise this guy. I don't even know the guy who developed it, but the purpose of this channel is just to share with you guys the things that I find have worked for me. So I just come and also share with you guys, and then maybe you can also find success with those things. So yeah, if you have any more questions, I think I'll continue doing more videos like this. I'll show you some of the indicators that I found to be useful if you're going to be analyzing or trading using TradingView. Otherwise, guys, subscribe, like the video. I have to rush somewhere. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.